Hello, I'm Johnny Chaffin from Collins Manufacturing, and today we're talking about how to install the CB79 bowl that Collins makes. It's available in black or white. We have an example of each one here. I have one of them that I went and got out of the warehouse, so I've got it flipped upside down so we can see. This one's been installed. Now what we recommend that you do is put a bead of caulking around the outside perimeter of this surface here, and then any kind of a waterproof caulking like RTV or something that you'd use typically in a bathtub or whatever. And then after you get all your plumbing installed, you're just going to flip it upside down and set it on this solid surface. And then we also recommend to run a bead around the outside edge of it just to kind of seal it good. But the bowl has no incentive to move anywhere. We found out that just sealing it to the top of the unit works much better than trying to bolt it down. So that's kind of our recommendation. Hope that answers any questions for you. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at the Collins office. Thank you again.